Hi guys, often you'll hear me going on about how important it is to use and optimize Facebook Messenger robotics so that you can do things in restaurants like add deal collections, track the amount of spend that customers are spending, link it to email systems so that you can email them, all that kind of great stuff. But when it comes down to it, most restaurants haven't really covered the basics. And what I've decided to do is create a really simple Facebook Messenger flow, a one page bot, if you like, that you can install on your restaurant page really, really easily. You can actually download this for free and you can start using it and you can start building up a subscriber list so that you can start marketing to that subscriber list over time. And as that subscriber list builds up, you're going to have a database of customers, of fans that you can send out new offers to, new deals. This is all about starting small, and as you learn more about this, you can start to really grow this flow, grow what you're doing with Facebook Messenger. But as I said before, the most important thing is just to get going with this stuff. So rather than baffle you with some amazing flow with all these different deal delivery systems and all that in at this point, I thought it'd be just a good idea to create something simple, offer you it for free, let you download it, and hopefully you can start getting to grips with using Facebook Messenger and start leveraging some of the great benefits that having a messenger bot actually brings. So I'll just talk you through very quickly, really, really simple stuff. So when someone clicks on the send message page on your Facebook page, they're going to be presented with this. Instead of being presented with just a blank screen to send a message, they're going to be presented with this. And the idea of this is to really take time off of your hands. So what happens here is they come in, it says, it welcomes them, says their first name, welcome to the page name, so that'd be your restaurant name, messenger channel. We had a little bit of sort of to make it look like it's typing, we had a delay there. And then it just says, how can we help? And here, the idea here is to put the three most common questions that you get as a restaurant. Now, this might be them, but you can obviously go in and you can edit them. So what we've done, this is what we found most of our clients have as the most common questions is, can I see the menu? So you've got an option there to view our menu, which if you click on there, you can see that takes you to an example link there, which you can obviously fill in for your restaurant and menu page. Book a table. So most restaurants have online booking these days. If you don't have online booking, I seriously suggest you consider it. But that will take you to an example reservation page. Again, you can change it out for your own reservation page. And a call us, which is just a phone number. So as soon as they tap that on their phone, it will start calling your restaurant phone number. And it's really as simple as that, guys. So, this, by installing this template, it doesn't mean that people only have to click on this. They can also type freely and ask you a question. But the good thing, the important thing really is to just think about what are the three most common questions we get asked at the restaurant. I think generally this is sort of across the board a very common set of questions that you might be asked, or a set of common actions that people want to take. But there might be others. You can change these out. But if you just click the link, which I'll provide with this video, then you can download this template, and within 5-10 minutes you can install it onto your Facebook page. You've just got to sign up to a ManyChat account, which is free for a basic account, and you can get going with it, and you can start building up a subscriber list. Once you've got ManyChat set up and you've got this basic flow installed on your page, then you can start building a list of subscribers and you can leverage all the benefits of those subscribers. So being able to broadcast to them, being able to collect data like emails down the line, interests, maybe find out if they're vegan or not, all of these things, and you can start segregating your audience. And over time, as you learn more and more about these messenger bots, you can actually start then sending out, marketing broadcasts. You can start collecting more data, and you can really start serving your audience a lot better. So yeah, hit the link in the description. If you've got any questions or you've got any concerns about how you install this or anything like that, and just hit us up with a question, comments, messenger, email, whatever it is, drop us a message, and I'll be happy to help you get this set up and running.